Hi, I'm John Paul, and today we're going to talk about the MOTO wheel bearing puller, remover, and installer toolkit. This kit comes with everything that you need, everything from a 3/4 inch to 25 millimeter main body installers, expander dowels, 3 removers, copper washer, backing plate, and all the necessary nuts and bolts that you're going to need to be able to remove a wheel bearing out of a 2000 and up Harley Davidson rim. So now that we know what's in it, let's go and show you how to use it. So as you can see, this wheel bearing inside this Harley Davidson tire needs to come out because it is bad, barely wants to move, so we need to replace it. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our MOTO wheel bearing toolkit and grab the necessary tools. One, we're going to get the right size that's going to fit into the bearing itself. We're going to get the expander dowel, the backing plate, the copper washer, and the nut that goes to it. All right, so first we're going to go and set this down. We're going to take the nut and washer off the expander dowel. We're going to slide it through the bearing remover. Nice thing about this one is we can go through the bottom to get it to fit all the way up. Stand it up. You can get your Allen head. To allow it to push it all the way through. You got the backing plate, the washer, and the large nut. You're going to snug it down by hand for now. Then you're going to take the washer for the expanding dowel and the nut, and we're going to set it on here. Grab our crescent wrench while holding the Allen tool. We're going to tighten this down to where we know that the bearing puller is actually underneath the bearing on the inside. Once that is done, we'll set the tire down. Use a crescent wrench. We're going to snug down the backing plate. All right, while we do that, we're going to use the other crescent wrench so that way we can retain the wheel bearing remover portion tool. And then we're actually going to start spinning the main bearing to start pulling the bearing out. You may hear a pop sound. That means that the bearing has been pulled out, or it just comes out freely. And as you see, now the bearing has been removed. And that's all there is to it.